Tired of breakfasts that leave you hungry by 10 a.m.? This one's for you. These high-protein breakfast burritos are meal prep friendly, freezer approved, and packed with 31 grams of protein to actually keep you full. And to take things up a notch, we've got 2 flavorful sauces that you can add or serve on the side. Start by cracking 10 eggs into a medium-sized bowl, followed by cottage cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. Whisk that all together, then transfer to a lightly greased baking tray. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until cooked through. Next, I'm cooking some turkey bacon for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's all crispy. Give that a coarse chop, then set aside. Once your eggs have cooked and cooled, slice into 5 individual portions. And now it's time to build. Take a whole wheat tortilla, add your egg portion, some chopped turkey bacon, and a sprinkle of cheddar cheese. Fold and roll tightly into a burrito. To store, wrap each burrito in parchment paper or foil. They'll keep in the fridge for up to 4 days or in the freezer for up to 3 months. When you're ready to eat, microwave for 1 to 2 minutes or reheat in a pan for a golden, crispy finish. Now the burritos are great on their own, but if you want to take the flavor up a notch, we've got 2 sauces worth making. First up, a smoky chipotle crema that adds creaminess and a little extra protein. Combine Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, lime juice, chipotle powder, garlic powder, paprika, cumin, and salt. Blend until smooth and store in the fridge for up to 5 days. If you're in the mood for something fresh and bright, this avocado green goddess has you covered. Combine avocado, Greek yogurt, fresh cilantro, lime juice, water, garlic powder, and salt. Blend until smooth, and just like the crema, it'll keep in the fridge for about 5 days. And that's it! The perfect breakfast burrito meal prep with just a few simple ingredients. They're so filling, so simple to prep, and they're even better with one of our delicious sauces. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow Noom for more easy recipes.